Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss about the aldol condensation reaction, a very important mechanism of the organic chemistry, which is included in the chapter carbonyl compounds. Okay, actually it is an enolate mechanism reaction. Okay, now I'll tell you in the brief that what is the mean of enolate mechanism. See, अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा मिलता है, ओके तो ये जो है ये इनोलेट आयन, इसको बोलते हैं क्या, इनोलेट आयन. इट इज कॉल्ड इनोलेट आयन. वाई इनोलेट आयन? बिकॉज यू कैन सी alkene, so ene and O. Okay, so enolate ion. Okay, now reaction takes place between two units of carbonyl either in basic medium or acidic medium. But generally जो हम पढ़ते हैं वो बेसिक मीडियम होता है. ठीक है, मेन जो रिएक्शन मीन्स जेई एडवांस, जेई नीट में जितना हमें पूछा जाता है वो बेसिक मीडियम में ही क्वेश्चन आता है. तो ठीक है, तो हम मेनली बेसिक मीडियम के बारे में ही चर्चा करेंगे यहाँ पर. हाँ, एंड द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन फॉर द एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन, वन ऑफ द कार्बोनिल, हमने बोला था कि दो यूनिट लेते हैं, तो इसमें से एक यूनिट के पास जो होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट वन अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम, एटलीस्ट वन अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम. नाउ सी व्हाट इज द अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम. You can see that this is the carbonyl. Okay, so the carbon which is attached with this carbonyl is known as alpha hydrogen, and the hydrogen is bonded with that alpha hydrogen is known as the hydrogen which is bonded with that alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. What I am saying, this is the alpha carbon, okay, and that this hydrogen is known as alpha hydrogen. Example, see, in this acetaldehyde you can see that this is the alpha carbon and these three are alpha hydrogen. One more example I can show you, H3C COOCH3, 6 alpha hydrogen. So yes, it can show the aldol condensation. Okay, and see this example, C1, this one, you can see in this that we have the alpha carbon but we do not have any alpha hydrogen, so this reaction will not give the aldol condensation mechanism. Clear or not? Okay, now okay, see, now let's understand the reaction with an example. एक example को, एक very simple example को लेकर इस reaction को समझते हैं. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तो हम reaction देखते हैं कि products क्या क्या होते हैं, फिर बाद में mechanism को देखेंगे. तो यहाँ पर मैंने देखो 2 यूनिट्स लिए, जैसे कि मैंने बोला था, डाइल्यूट बेस OH माइनस. अब OH माइनस हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, NaOH ले सकते हैं, KOH ले सकते हैं, ETC. ओके, सो जो हमारा पहला प्रोडक्ट होगा, पहला प्रोडक्ट का बिफोर हीटिंग, दिस इज द कार्बोनिल. सो दिस कार्बन इज अल्फा कार्बन, दिस कार्बन इज बीटा कार्बन. सो दिस प्रोडक्ट इज नोन एज बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कार्बोनिल. व्हाट? बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी carbonyl. If it is aldehyde, then beta hydroxyaldehyde. If it is ketone, then it is beta hydroxy ketone. After the heating, you can see that H2O will be removed and pi bond will be formed. Okay, beta. So this product is known as our alpha beta hydroxy product, alpha beta hydroxy carbonyl, and this is the important one, which is mainly asked. Clear or not? Any doubt in this? Okay, now this is the reaction. So now we will see that how this reaction takes place by the mechanism. Now see the mechanism, very very important. One unit I am taking in the way, this alpha hydrogen is always in acidic nature, so this base will attack on the acid and will take the H plus. So on the CH, on the carbon, it will be what? Negative charge, C double. This is the step 1. Okay, now what is the step 2? We have the another unit of what? We have the another unit of carbonyl. Okay, so CH2 minus C double OH. Clear? Now you can see that this is behaving as a nucleophile and this is the other unit as a carbonyl. So this carbonyl, this nucleophile will attack on the carbonyl and will show nucleophilic addition reaction on carbonyl compounds. So product would be what? The intermediate H3C. And remember one of the important thing here, that this reaction is slow. Okay, so this is rate determining step. Okay beta, so H3C CO minus CH2 COO, this is the one of the intermediate. Clear or not? Okay, now what will happen, we know that this is the dilute. Okay, this is what, this is the dilute. So H2O is here, means hydrolysis of O minus will take place, and we will have CH3OH CH2 C double bond H. Clear or not? Okay, so you can see now what, alpha beta, so beta hydroxy sorry, beta hydroxy carbonyl. Clear? Now this is the product before heating. Now we have what after heating, what we will have, I can write this CH3 COH CHH COOH. Okay, so you know that on the heating delta will be removed, means H2O will be removed. So H3C CH double bond CH C double bond H. Okay beta, so this is what, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl. Clear or not? Any doubt in this? So this is the complete mechanism. Clear? Any doubt in this? Now the important thing is short trick. What is the short trick? Because every time you can't do the mechanism. Okay, so now we have taken 2 units of acetaldehydes. I can rearrange them in this form. Am I wrong? Tell me. Okay beta, so in this what will happen, just remove this, remove the H2O on what, dilute OH minus, and on heating. So you will get H3C CH double bond CH C double bond H. Clear or not? Okay, one more example. See, example. Now if you have 2 units of CH3 COO CH3 dilute OH minus delta, then what will be the compound? Okay, obviously aldol condensation will take place, so what will be the compound? Now see, in this I can rearrange this in this form. Okay, then dilute OH minus delta. So you know that what will happen, H2O will be removed, condensation, and product would be H3C CH3 double bond CH C double bond CH3. Can you see? Alpha beta unsaturated. Clear beta? Any doubt in this? If you are asked about the hydroxy, so just remove the pi bond. Okay, I'm telling you, just remove the pi bond, and on the beta add the OH group. Clear or not? Okay, so this is the complete aldol condensation. Okay, I hope आपको पूरा समझ में आया होगा, और अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और कमेंट में मुझे बताएं कि आपको अगला टॉपिक कौन सा देखना है. ओके, थैंक यू टू ऑल, थैंक यू सो मच.